So as you can see here, these are the pallets I grabbed from work. I've been tearing them apart. I got some broken pieces right here. I don't know if I'll use them yet or not. I'm almost finished with this pallet here, and then I got another pallet up in there that I will take apart next. That is my stack of wood from this pallet. So I'm going to finish up this pallet and then I'm going to show you the other one. See how pretty this stuff is? Yeah, there's some pallets that we get in that are not pretty, and I pass those ones by. It's a lot more work than I'd like to have for this type of thing, but I mean, it's free wood and free nails. Can't tell you how many pounds of nails that I've gotten that are very reusable. They usually stay pretty straight. Gotten a pretty decent stack so far. Today it seems like the two that I chose are quite wide boards. I usually like the narrow ones for in there, but these wide ones I'll use for the other hidden cabinet door thing. So I hope this wood is a little softer. The nails seem to come out a lot easier when it's a little softer wood. There's only 2 nails in some of these, which I like that. They're a lot harder to take out when there's 3. You got some boards on the bottom you can get. Thinking I might use like the side pieces, maybe for some trim pieces. I'll see what I come up with here. Kind of pretty. Got a crack, that's okay. Adds a little more character to it. This wood must be like an oak or something really hard. The nails are not coming out easy. I broke a couple heads off some nails over here. All three of them now. I noticed that if I get underneath this wood and I pry back on it like this, typically what happens is I end up splitting the wood and breaking them apart. And if I give it a little more blunt force trauma to it, it seems to pull the nails out better without cracking the wood. And then I get the nail head up just a little bit. I thought that one was coming out, and at the last second, the head broke off. Broke that one off too. I do not like these nails. That is some pretty stuff. Well, I think I got as many useful ones out of this pallet as I want. I'd like to use these small ones here, but I don't know if you can really tell. They're really cupped, so they're going to be awful difficult to lay on the wall. These ones are probably going to really bust apart. This here is awful hard. So, as you can see here, most of the nails didn't even come out. It's the first pallet I had such difficult with nails coming out. This middle rail here was a softer wood and all the nails came out. So, not getting much good stuff out of this one. That's okay though. I'll get another pallet from work and continue to work on the project some more, laying some more wood on the walls when I get there. And this is the bit of good looking stuff that I got out of this pallet. It's good enough to cover a good 5 to 6 square feet maybe. Not bad. Alright, so in this wall here, I know my stud runs on the left side of the light switch here. So when I cut out this sheetrock here, I'm going to stay on this side. And I have the height already the same as the other side to here, so I'll cut down to the wood here and all the way up to a header stud that I have here up above there. I will cut all along to this stud on this side. When I did my wiring, I dropped down from this side. I know that there's no wiring down here, so this is where I'm going to start my cutting, is on this side here. And once I get my bottom opened up, I'll be able to peek up just to make sure none of the wiring creeps on over or anything. So let's get into it, huh? With sheetrock, you don't exactly have to cut all the way through. Once you get a good mark, a little bit of deep in the sheetrock, then typically what you can do is just snap it out of place there. Yeah. This can be done very gently without getting too close to the wiring. I only went about back this far behind the sheetrock so you can see the wiring's way back there. I was able to miss it no problem. Yeah. And since the wiring is out far enough that way, I should be able to use the power saw the rest of the way because the wiring is right about there. So. That's the beginning of an in-wall cabinet, and I'm going to start getting some of my pallet wood ready, and I'm going to frame this in a bit. I got to do some cleanup with a lot of sheetrock dust on the ground right now, so I'll bring you back in a bit.